Top 4 Daily Habits to Lower Blood Sugar Naturally, Senior Health Tips. Welcome to Diabetes Guide. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 4 daily habits to lower blood sugar naturally. These simple yet powerful lifestyle changes can help you balance glucose levels, boost energy, and protect your long-term health, all without relying on medications. Let's get started. Start your day with movement. One of the simplest, yet most powerful habits to lower blood sugar naturally is starting your day with movement. Morning activity helps your body use up glucose efficiently, improves insulin sensitivity, and sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. You don't need a gym membership or heavy workouts. Just 20 to 30 minutes of light exercise can make a big difference. After waking up, try gentle stretching, yoga, or a brisk walk around your home or neighborhood. Morning movement activates your muscles, which act like sponges for blood sugar. When your muscles work, they pull glucose from your bloodstream for energy, helping stabilize your levels naturally. If walking isn't possible, even simple at-home moves like leg raises, arm circles, or chair squats can do wonders. The goal is consistency, not intensity. For those who have joint pain or mobility issues, water aerobics or light resistance band exercises are great alternatives. Studies have shown that people who move in the morning have lower fasting blood sugar and more stable readings throughout the day. It also boosts your mood, metabolism, and energy, making it easier to stay active and make healthier food choices later on. To make this a lasting habit, set a small, achievable goal, like walking for 10 minutes right after breakfast, and build up gradually. Pair your activity with something enjoyable, like listening to music or a podcast, so it becomes a part of your routine. Start your day with movement, and your body will thank you by keeping your blood sugar balanced and your energy steady all day long. Quick question for you. Do you check your blood sugar daily, or just once in a while? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see how many of you are tracking regularly. Your answer might inspire someone else to start today. Next on our list is eat balanced, fiber-rich meals. What you eat plays a major role in how your body manages blood sugar. One of the most effective daily habits to keep glucose stable is eating balanced, fiber-rich meals throughout the day. Fiber slows down digestion, preventing sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar, a key factor for managing diabetes naturally. A balanced plate should include 3 main components: fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Fiber-rich foods like leafy greens, lentils, beans, oats, and whole grains help regulate the release of glucose into your bloodstream. Combine these with proteins such as eggs, chicken, tofu, or fish to further slow sugar absorption and keep you full longer. For example, instead of having plain white rice or white bread, opt for brown rice, quinoa, or whole grain toast with avocado and eggs. These options provide steady energy and keep you satisfied for hours. Adding a handful of nuts or seeds to your meals can also support insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Another great tip is to avoid eating carbohydrates alone. When you pair carbs with protein or fat, like apple slices with peanut butter or Greek yogurt with berries, your blood sugar response becomes much more stable. Eating fiber-rich meals not only helps control sugar levels, but also supports gut health, lowers cholesterol, and aids weight management, all important for long-term diabetic control. Remember, small changes in your meals can lead to big improvements over time. Plan ahead, choose whole and natural foods, and minimize refined carbs or sugary snacks. Consistency is the key. When your meals are balanced and rich in fiber, you give your body the best chance to manage blood sugar naturally, without feeling deprived or hungry. Number 3, stay hydrated throughout the day. Staying hydrated might sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful and overlooked habits for managing blood sugar naturally. Water plays a vital role in helping your kidneys flush out excess glucose through urine, keeping your sugar levels balanced throughout the day. When you don't drink enough water, your blood becomes more concentrated, which can lead to higher glucose readings. Dehydration can also make you feel tired, dizzy, and even hungrier, all of which can trick you into overeating or reaching for sugary snacks. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, depending on your activity level and climate. If plain water feels boring, try flavoring it naturally with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint. Herbal teas like chamomile or green tea are also great options. They're hydrating, soothing, and packed with antioxidants that support better glucose control. It's also important to avoid sugary drinks such as sodas, fruit juices, and energy drinks, as these can cause sudden blood sugar spikes. Even some diet beverages may not be the best choice, since artificial sweeteners can affect insulin sensitivity over time. A good trick is to start your morning with a glass of warm water to kickstart hydration and metabolism. Keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day to remind yourself to sip regularly, especially before meals. Proper hydration helps your body process nutrients efficiently, supports kidney function, and maintains energy levels, all while preventing unwanted sugar spikes. Remember, your body uses water to regulate everything, including blood sugar. So the next time you reach for a snack, pause and drink a glass of water first. You might find that your hunger was actually thirst all along. The final habit on our list is manage stress and sleep well. Stress and poor sleep are silent saboteurs of healthy blood sugar levels. Even if you're eating right and exercising regularly, constant stress or lack of sleep can make it much harder to keep your glucose under control. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which prepare you for a fight or flight response. These hormones trigger your liver to release extra glucose into the bloodstream for quick energy. While this is useful in emergencies, chronic stress keeps blood sugar elevated for long periods, increasing the risk of insulin resistance. Similarly, poor sleep throws your body's hormones out of balance. Just one night of bad sleep can reduce insulin sensitivity and make you crave sugary or high-carb foods. Over time, irregular sleep patterns can lead to higher fasting blood sugar and more fluctuations throughout the day. To combat this, try to manage stress through relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or light yoga. Even spending 10 minutes a day in quiet reflection can help calm your nervous system and lower stress hormone levels. Make time for activities you enjoy: gardening, listening to music, or a peaceful walk. Anything that helps your mind unwind. For better sleep, aim for 7 to 8 hours each night. Stick to a consistent bedtime. Limit screen time an hour before bed, and avoid caffeine or heavy meals late in the evening. Creating a calm, dark, and cool sleep environment can make a big difference. By managing stress and getting enough rest, you're allowing your body to recover, balance hormones, and use insulin more effectively. Remember, a calm mind and rested body are just as important as diet and exercise in keeping blood sugar steady and diabetes under control. And there you have it, 4 daily habits that can make a real difference in your blood sugar control. Remember, small consistent steps lead to lasting results. If you have severe diabetes or symptoms persist, always consult your doctor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips from Diabetes Guide.